Okay, hi YouTube. I wanted to put together a couple of videos about website design. Um, Recently, I started using WordPress, and the theme that I'm using here is Trafficker Pro. So the Trafficker theme is free. Uh, with themes to make it free. But I paid the $59 for the lifetime support of this theme, and it opened up some more features to me. But there were still some things that I could not do that I wanted to change. And I found CSS code uh, can make those changes. So let's take a look at this theme here and what it looks like. I think it looks pretty clean and professional. The um, these cards switch around and they're actually links to different pages. So we can go to his prayer page by clicking on that, and you can see there's this calendar here, which is a plugin, and you can put little pictures in there, uh, different pictures. So Martin Luther King Day has a picture, and I use a plugin that disables comments because this is a blog software. I'm using it for a website, there are no blogging comments, but it kept saying blogging comments disabled or some kind of message on every page, and I didn't want that. So you can use plugins on with WordPress, and I have a plugin that disables those comments. Um, so it's the web page. On the contact page, you can see I put a form. There's another plugin for forms. So all this is pretty easy to manage. That's why I wanted to use this WordPress software because it makes everything pretty easy. It's for a friend of mine, by the way, and he's gonna be in Peru for almost a year. So I wanted to have some software here that would make everything real easy to manage while he's there. Um, so, um, if any of this stuff interests you, let me know, and I'll try to address any questions you have. Right now, you can see on the back side this WordPress 4.9.1, um, and we can go into appearance, customize. That's how we can easily make changes here. So let's see the site identity. Get back. Um, let's see the widgets. That's all down here. Each of no, all the way down here. This is the widget area. Um, so we have a navigation menu on the first widget. That's right in here. So we can change things. Say we want to add a widget. You have all these widgets here to choose from. So I have an RSS widget. You do a search field if you want. Um, so there's a lot of different things you can choose from. So let's get back. Um, what I'm going to look at is everything for the WordPress 4.7 has this additional CSS field. So that's going to enable us to make some changes. Because there were still some tweaks that I wanted to make after I upgraded to Traffica Pro, that this additional CSS field allows me to do. So, and see, this flag here is going to disappear because I'm going to delete all the CSS so you can see the changes. The red text is going to disappear as well. So you can see this how it was. It's a Facebook widget here. Now, none of this is going to be live on our website until you hit this publish button up top. So you can always just close this out and it won't publish anything. So I want to show you how to make some of these changes. So I made 13 changes. A lot of those are redundant. So I only have 7 here that I'm going to show you during this video. First thing I wanted to do is logo image up here is flush with the slider, and I wanted to move it up and give it some more padding on the bottom. So use this command here, padding bottom 20 pixels. We'll move it up and we'll put that in our additional CSS field. See right away that moved up. Okay, something I didn't like about this theme, I don't know why, but it was putting your headers twice. So you have donations twice here. Go on your prayer page, you're going to have prayers twice. So you got once, twice. Go to the about page, same thing. You have about twice. So you can hide one of those by this display none field. We're going to so you can see right away it's going to change. Okay, that disappeared, and it's that way in the other pages as well. Getting back to his home page by clicking on the logo. Okay, we're going to adjust this top menu. See how it's right justified. Well, it looks fine on this big screen, but there's all this white space here. Now if I had a smaller monitor, it would look better on the left justify. So you can manipulate that with this text to the line left, and go in here, CSS, you can see that moved over. So the next thing I want to change is this cliffs on move details below. See how it's all gray, and if it was bald face and black or red, you could see it better. So use this command here, font weight bold and color. We'll change that, and you put that in your CSS field, and now you can see everything is red and bold. So I think it stands out more. Something I'm used to being able to do, and I can do with this theme, or with any WordPress theme, is put an image or a link anywhere on the page. I'm used to being able to do that, and I thought I couldn't do it, but you can. With additional CSS, you can put a picture. We're going to put a picture of flag right below cliffs on the move. So use this command here, content inserts, content URL. So copy that. And we're going to put that in CSS field. So you can see there's a flag down here now. So it's all that stands out better now. I think it's get your attention. So something else I wanted to do down here in this accordion section, it's on the left, but if we go into a small, say you're on tablet, is for some reason this theme centers everything on the page. So you can see this text gets centered, these accordion things get centered. So you can use text align left to bring it around to the left. So you'll see some of this is going to change on the accordion field. So you can see that moves over to the left. That moves over, that moves over. So you can do the same thing with this, and the rest of the menu gets centered. I left justified that. Left justified the giving address. So but I'll let you do that on your own. Because I want to keep this video short. So next thing we're gonna go to is the Facebook widget. Now, that's this right up here. Now you can use display none. Same way we hid the about the header section is hidden now. Let's go full screen. So that's like this. We hid this header section here. You can do the same thing with the Facebook widget. This shows up on the home screen. So go over here and see the Facebook widget here. Now I don't use Facebook, so I don't know what any of those people, and I don't know if it personalizes it for each person or not. So I wanted to hide that anyway. So we're going to use this display none field, and we'll copy that from before. Set. You can see the Facebook widget disappeared here. So then it looks a lot better than it did with the flag. And so now you're probably wondering where I came up with all these class names. How did I do that? So there's using your web browser, you can get to plugins or use different tools that are available that will show you that. So I'm going to put a second video together for anybody who's interested that would show that. So subscribe to this page and you'll see that second video when it gets done. Or send me an email and I'll email you that link. So thanks for watching, and hope this didn't bore you too much. I did try to keep it short. Thanks for watching. Bye.